Hi friends, my name is Jay. In today's video, I am going to share what are the things anyone should consider before getting a dog. Like first thing, the most important thing is the breed. What breed of dog you are going to get or you are going to own. There are different breeds, big size, small size dogs. It's your choice. You want a guard dog, you want a family dog. Okay, so while choosing a dog, you also need to consider surroundings. Where are you living, your society, whether you are living in an apartment or you're living in an independent bungalow. So depends on that. Also you can choose a breed. Like example, if you are living in an apartment, then you should, or I also suggest you should go for a small breed dogs. Like you have poodles, Maltese, Shih Tzu, Havanese, etc, etc. But if you are living in an independent bungalow or you can manage with the big size dogs, then you can go for a golden retriever, Labrador, German Shepherd, Husky, etc, etc. So these are the very important things while choosing a dog, that which breed, what size, what is your requirement, how big family size you have, whether you have small kids, big kids. So this all things you need to consider while choosing a breed. So in my case, while choosing a breed, I considered all things and then finally we decided to go for a toy poodle. Because in my family we have a small kids. My daughter is 4 years old, my son is 9 years old. So we decided to go for a toy poodle, and he is my companion. His name is Neo. He's just 3 months old. Say hi, Neo. Hi everyone. The next thing is to consider is cost and expenses. It's not that one time you buy a dog and it's over. No. Expenses and cost is that it's a lifetime expenses. Every time you have to spend money for their food, grooming, their vaccination, vets expenses, and it's not a one-time money. You have to when they are in the puppy age, when they're in adult age or older age, and these expenses will continue there. So when you are planning to get a dog, please consider this is one of the important thing, that every month you have to spend some particular amount of money on the puppy or the dog. Other thing is to consider dog's life. Dog's an average life is around 12 years. And when we are going to plan to get a dog, we should consider that ample amount of time we have to spend with the puppy or the dog. It's not a commitment for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months or 1 year. It's a lifetime commitment of 12 years. So we have to be really very, very clear in our mind that we can spend this much of span of time with the dog. Then we should also consider the time of exercise every day they require. Whatever the breed you choose, either you choose a big dog, small dog, every breed, every dog has a different type of requirements, different exercise requirements. Like in my case, I have a toy poodle. So he needs 45 minutes to 1 hour exercise daily, not more than that, which I can afford. That's why I choose a toy poodle. But if you go for some other breeds like golden retriever, Labrador, German Shepherd, Husky, then you need to give more time for them. They need more time for the exercise. So this is one of the important point to consider. How much time you can devote to them, how much time you can spend with them, whether you have that much time for them to do exercise. Another thing to consider is pet's health. Every breed has a different healthcare requirements. Some has more requirement of healthcare, some breeds are less requirement. So you should explore, you should know in the beginning itself what are the requirements and which breed you are going to get. Like in my case, I have a poodle, so I have to take care of his eyes and ears more, because these two parts are more sensitive because of their genes. So one of the most important part to know before getting a dog is the pet's health care. Child friendly. This also you need to explore before you finalize the breed. Some dogs are sensitive, some are aggressive. Like guard dogs are aggressive, but family dogs are sensitive. If you have children, please consider the family dogs, and please, I am suggesting you to please explore more which dogs are child friendly, which are very aggressive. Based on that, you decide which breed you should buy. One of the most important thing to consider is dog's training. Some breeds are easy to train, some breeds are difficult to train. But up to some extent it depends on us also how much time we are devoting to train them. But yes, initially when you get a puppy, you have to tolerate their poop and pee in house till you train them. Once they are trained, then your life is not miserable. They will do the poop and pee outside of the house. So training is one of the most important thing to consider. It is easy to train, but only the way you have to learn yourself first how to train the dogs. So friends, these are the few things from my side to consider before you getting a dog. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications. Till then, bye, take care.